Kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, juice bar and salad bar. We are now doing the same things together, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, I'm in the kitchen today and I have a little bit of leftover pasta. Only thing come to my mind is to do something really fantastic for the fans them, that you guys can enjoy this at home. It's very easy, you know what I mean? Sometimes we have a little bit of leftover pasta, sometimes we have to put it in the bin. There's no need, you know what I mean? Save money, save time, and do something lovely to bring at work. So please enjoy the recipe. You might have said this is easy recipe, but you know, it's just ideas and tips, guys, and things do work at home in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. So stay tuned, watch the video, please leave your comments, subscribe, clicking the bell and get notification when Chef Ricardo upload the video. I love you all, and remember, you can support me with my t-shirt, handbag, shirt, jacket, jumper, you know what I mean? Well, you don't have to buy the expensive one, you know what I mean? But as I say, is support. The link will be in the description box. Click on the link, go to my YouTube channel. You can see a lot more things which is happening. Also check out my food news channel. We've been doing a lot of different things on the food news now. You know what I mean? So it's just amazing. Stay tuned and see the simple recipe to make at home. Pasta salad from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically sometimes we have a little bit of leftover pasta. And you know, maybe cook too much pasta, the kids them didn't want it, and you know, you're going to work the next day. It is good for doing this at home. So first thing what we're going to do is crack some pepper. This is some black pepper. That's the first thing I'm going to be doing for the fans then. All right. Second thing, if you have any dry chili, you can put a little bit of dry chili on it. Thirdly, you can put a little bit of paprika, bringing a lovely color with the mayonnaise and the salad cream. Nice and lovely. If you want a little bit of garlic taste in your mouth, you can put a pinch of garlic powder. You don't have to put a lot. You can use fresh garlic. If you want to get a little bit of spice, you can put a little bit of jerk seasoning inside of it. Second thing, we're going to be using some spring onion. So I'm just cutting up my spring onion. That's the spring onion. Now you pop that spring onion and get that lovely color. Second thing, red onion do give it a lovely color also. And now so we're gonna put a few slices and just simple. Cut it up very smallly and just pop it straight on it like this. Red pepper. Very nice to have a little bit of color in the pasta. Not only that, I can put some sweet corn if you have sweet corn, but I don't have any sweet corn, so I'm just going to be using what I have. So that's the red pepper. Yellow pepper is a must. You can put green pepper also if you have, but I got the spring onion already inside of it, so you know what I mean. Lovely. So we're gonna put a little bit of salad cream. And also a little bit of mayonnaise. That's simple. Give it a lovely mix. If you like it mayonnaise up, you can always add more mayonnaise. If you just like it simple, you can just make it just simple like the way I'm doing it. Not only that, if you have tuna, you can pop some tuna in it also. Honestly, and this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about when he said make a simple little pasta salad at home, and this coming really handy for you guys. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box, and also please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. So here it is, very easy and simple recipe, guys, and as you can see, didn't too complicated to make. So what we're gonna do now, say this is what I'm gonna be bringing to work, or if you have a plastic container, just pop it into a plastic container, guys, and bring it to work. You know what I mean? Share with your friend. Your friend may say, oh my days, where you get this recipe from? Tell us how you see it on the Jamaican Chef channel, innit? Yeah, nice. Pasta salad, amazing. And you got the paprika for giving that lovely blending color. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar and Salad Bar. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from me and the team with the best recipe in the world. So stay tuned and follow me on Instagram, and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and you can get a lot more updated from Chef Ricardo. Subscribe and click in the bell, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.